Viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will share my analysis about USDCHF, the prediction about USDCHF, where market will go or how can you take your TP. So I will just clear everything in my video. So just started my video and just hopefully you will understand all the things and take your TP perfectly. So we can analyze this now. Let me see. It's a 1 hour time frame. You can see the 4 hour 4 hour uptrend. It's uptrend market. We already seen here. We have to draw a channel right like that. We have to draw a channel for parallel channel. Right. So it's uptrend channel. It's going to be the broken resistance. After broken this, where market will go? Market will go. Let me just share with you. What market will make behavior? Right now let me just share with you the analysis. It's bearish flag. Market will down. Okay, it's bearish flag. It can be down or up. Actually there is no 100% guarantee, but let me just consider one thing. When it will broken this thing, market will go here and come here and go like that. Okay, so it's the uptrend or buy confirmation. About the sell confirmation, the market will come and go here. After that, retest here. After that, it will break. It will down, going to the long sell. So just focus on two things. This channel will be broken. Just follow the market situation. After that, you can just compare with my analysis. After that, you can take a TP or anything. So just compare with my analysis. Just see my analysis where market will go after broke this situation. This consideration level, this situation, then market will go to a long sell or go to a long buy. Just wait for that, and for that you can do it TP as well as a money management. So I think it will be the happen. So this is all kind of USDCHF analysis. Thank you very much.